Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to delete YouTube channel permanently on mobile. So first of all, just open the YouTube application, tap on your profile icon in the upper right corner, click on this your channel, and now you can see this is my channel. Now tap on these three dots in the upper right corner and go for this settings and go for this help and feedback. You will be redirecting to this page. Now you have to search for delete YouTube channel. Tap on this search bar and search for delete, and you can see this second option, delete or hide your YouTube channel. Just tap on this. From here scroll down and you can see these options. Just tap on this, delete your channel permanently. Now scroll down again and you can see this, sign in to YouTube Studio. Just tap on it. So maybe he asks you to select any browser, so you can select any browser, but in my case he already open in Google Chrome. And now if you zoom in a little bit, you will see this settings option in the bottom left corner. Just tap on this settings option, and now in settings you have to tap on this channel option, go for this advanced settings, and now you have to scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on this manage YouTube content. And now from here if we zoom in again, you will see these three options. So you just have to tap on this view advanced settings, and now you can see this option delete channel. So if you tap on this delete channel, enter your password. So you have to enter your password here and then tap on next, and now you can select this option, I want to hide my channel or I want to permanently delete my channel content. So if you tap on it and you can see these options, the following will be permanently delete, any paid subscription that you own, YouTube Premiere is will be gone. So you can check these options like this, and then if you tap on this delete my content, your channel will be deleted permanently. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.